forever in your mighty hand, living with your promise written on my heart. Now I belong to you. All I need, Spirit, your word, your truth, heal my heart. My deep desire to know you more. In your name, I will lift my hands to the King. Sometimes more praise I bring here than now. My deep desire to know you more. I belong to you.